Imagine running a company where millions of dollars move across dozens of projects, yet some budgets sit idle while others overshoot. Traditionally, spotting reallocation opportunities takes weeks of manual reviews, meetings, and endless spreadsheets. But what if an AI, integrated with ChatGPT, could scan every variance, detect inefficiencies, and instantly suggest where funds should be reallocated for maximum impact? That's the power of the Budget Intelligence Agent, plus Level, your CFO-grade partner for AI-driven budget optimization. Let's shift from theory to reality. Imagine a company running multiple projects across different departments. Some budgets are underspent, while others are running dangerously close to overspend. Without guidance, leaders are often blind to the best way to reallocate funds. This is where the Budget Intelligence Agent steps in, transforming raw numbers into clear strategies with graphs, tables, and AI-driven analysis. Let's explore how this works in real scenarios. The finance team noticed travel expenses had dropped significantly. Instead of leaving the funds idle, the AI immediately flagged the underspend and suggested reallocating it toward higher-impact areas. The graph showed declining travel use, the table revealed the surplus, and the analysis recommended optimal redeployment. In seconds, leaders had a solution that turned unused funds into strategic opportunities. At the end of Q2, one department reported underspend compared to plan. Normally, this would stay hidden in spreadsheets. The agent surfaced the variance instantly. A graph displayed underspend trends, a table outlined where funds were available, and the analysis proposed reallocation into priority projects. The result was a faster, more confident decision-making process. Capital expenditures are often one of the biggest challenges. The AI analyzed multiple CapEx items to identify potential savings. The graph visualized where savings could be unlocked, the table quantified opportunities, and the analysis proposed scenarios to maximize impact. Leaders gained visibility not only on savings, but also on how to redeploy them most effectively. Administrative spending tends to creep up, while R&D often struggles for funds. The AI detected this imbalance. A graph highlighted overhead trends, the table pinpointed the available margin, and the analysis suggested shifting resources into R&D. This reallocation gave innovation teams the push they needed without increasing total budgets. Not all reallocations are equal. The agent went beyond numbers to calculate ROI impact. The graph ranked opportunities by return, the table showed side-by-side comparisons, and the analysis pinpointed where each dollar would generate the most value. Leaders could clearly see which move delivered the highest strategic advantage. In multi-project environments, some initiatives overspend while others sit on surpluses. The AI balanced these automatically. The graph mapped overspend and underspend areas, the table detailed exact amounts, and the analysis recommended redistribution to create equilibrium. Instead of endless debates, managers received a clear, transparent plan. Many organizations keep contingency funds untouched until year-end. The agent flagged this early, ensuring funds were not wasted. A graph displayed utilization levels, the table outlined reserves, and the analysis suggested proactive reallocation to areas with immediate need. By acting before Q4, leaders captured opportunities instead of missing them. Certain departments consistently underutilize their budgets. The AI highlighted these slow spend zones. The graph showed spending velocity, the table quantified unspent balances, and the analysis recommended shifting funds into faster-moving projects. This helped optimize the entire portfolio instead of letting funds stagnate. Executives don't always want every detail, they want clarity. The agent summarized the top 3 reallocation moves based on variance. A graph visualized severity, the table ranked the top options, and the analysis explained the reasoning. This concise format turned hours of review into minutes of decision-making. Reallocation must respect boundaries. The AI simulated scenarios under constraints, such as limiting movements to a maximum of 10% of any budget. The graph showed compliant reallocations, the table listed new balances, and the analysis assured governance rules were followed. Leaders gained confidence that optimization and control could work hand in hand. You've just seen how the Budget Intelligence Agent, plus Level transforms budget reallocation into a precise, AI-driven process. No more idle funds, no more guesswork, just clear graphs, detailed tables, and actionable analysis that allow you to maximize every dollar. But this is only the beginning. The agent also comes with a full suite of advanced budgeting features, including budget input and templates, budget version control, annual and project budgeting, cost center breakdowns, forecast versus budget comparisons, and scenario stress testing. For deeper control, it supports variance analysis, CapEx/OpEx segmentation, approval workflows, dashboard summaries, and alerts and threshold flags. Finance leaders working internationally will appreciate multi-currency support, data import flexibility, access control, and audit trail logs. And to simplify reporting, you can instantly generate downloadable Excel reports, PDF summaries, and even add budget line commentary for full transparency. Together, these features create a powerful finance ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with your workflows, putting CFO-grade intelligence directly into your hands. You can try the Budget Intelligence Agent and 32 other finance agents, free for 30 days by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real-world case studies and demos of how AI is transforming enterprise finance. Your next great decision could be AI-powered, and it starts here. Asterisk.